Are you planning to travel to another city for a road trip? Here is a quick travel tip that could save you a lot of stress and potentially some money on your next trip. Before you go ahead and book that flight ticket, pause for just a second. Not to check hotel prices. Not to compare seat upgrades. But to take a quick look at rental car availability. It's one of those things that is easy to overlook. We often find a great flight deal and book it immediately, only to realize later that finding a car is a challenge, or that the prices are much higher than expected. The reality is that while airlines have plenty of seats, rental car shortages can still pop up in popular vacation spots. In places like Halifax or Moncton, fleets can get booked up very quickly during the busy season. We actually experienced this while planning an East Coast Canada road trip. We were looking to fly into Halifax Airport, but when we searched for a standard round-trip rental, inventory was extremely tight. It looked like the trip might not happen. But here is where a little flexibility helps. Sometimes it's not the dates that are the problem, it's the return location. We decided to check a one-way car rental, picking up in Halifax and returning the car in Moncton. Suddenly, the options opened up, and we even found a few SUVs available. And that leads me to another great point. Because we were driving one way, we decided to look at one-way flights as well, and honestly, it opened up a lot of possibilities. Booking one-way flights offers some real advantages. You get greater flexibility for open-ended travel, and you have the ability to mix and match airlines, maybe flying in with one carrier and out with another to get the best price or schedule. It works perfectly for these complex open-jaw itineraries, where you fly into one city and out of another. This approach really suits travelers who want to customize multi-city trips and avoid backtracking just to catch a return flight. So, if you are visiting a hot destination during peak season, it might be a good idea to check the car situation before finalizing your flights. It just gives you that extra flexibility to adjust your itinerary, whether that's changing your dates or booking an open-jaw trip. Checking the car first is a simple step, but it can make for a much smoother, stress-free start to your vacation. Thanks so much for watching. If you got some value out of this tip, please give the video a like, it really helps us out. And feel free to explore the channel, we have plenty of other videos covering driving, travel, and technology that might be helpful for you. Safe travels!